Stupid. There we go. I don't know if you can see this. So let me know in the comments if you can't. This is fucking bullshit. Fucking phone doesn't even want to work for me. Let me know in the comments if you can hear the thunder. The thunder's coming from that way. You probably can't see my hand, but it's coming from the south. The lightning I'm seeing is coming from like southwest to west. So, well, since you can't see my hand, figured I might as well do directions. Do like this, like, oh, there we go. Fuck, I don't know if you can see that. Most of the lightning I'm seeing is coming from the west. What the? If you could hear that screeching, if you can hear that like that screeching sound, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll tell you what it is. Let me know in the comments if you can hear that screeching, and I'll tell you what it is. We have little nocturnal animals, nocturnal flying animals around here. Most of you already know who they are. But for those of you who don't know where that screeching sound is coming from, let me know in the comments and I'll tell you what they are. You guys are gonna be in for a surprise of what they are. I already know what they are, so it's really not a surprise to me. Whoa, dude! I was actually waiting here for a flash to happen, and then the brightest flash ever. That actually kind of blinded me. Holy shit! Ah, fuck! Let me know in the comments if you fucking saw that. Holy jeez! That's like a thunder bang and a half. Okay, but a word of warning: if a lightning bolt strikes right in front of me, I'm stopping the recording, and I'm freaking going in the house because there's no freaking way I could even be out here recording this. Ah, fuck. Let me see if I can get out of the house. Yep, there we go. I can record now. I can record still without my phone being ruined by anything.